Saniflo, the original plumbing solution since 1958. Introducing the redesigned Sanicompact, the dual flush system with built-in macerator for half bathroom applications. Are you looking to add that extra bathroom but don't have the space or money to do it? With our Sanicompact system, you don't need to worry about any of these. You just need to have a water supply close by and an electrical outlet. This compact toilet system can be installed in any space where gravity drain is not possible. Take advantage of that closet where you never thought possible to add the bathroom that you always dreamed of, and without having to break the concrete. How to install the Sanicompact system? The Sanicompact is easily secured to the floor using the mounting hardware provided. If you would like to connect a sink to the Sanicompact, you may do so with the rubber hose provided. The connection to drain the sink into the Sanicompact can be found on the back of the toilet. The plastic port would need to be cut so the provided drain hose is connected. The drain pipe coming from the sink would then be connected to this rubber hose and secured with a metal clamp. This advanced toilet system automatically discharges gray water from the sink drain independently from the toilet operation. A 1-inch diameter PVC pipe would be used to discharge the gray water and macerated waste. This system can discharge the waste up to 9 feet vertical and up to 120 feet across. This simple installation would require a 1-inch discharge line, a water supply connection, a sink drain pipe if needed, and the standard 110-volt power supply. The Sanicompact self-venting system doesn't require a vent pipe. Check with your local plumbing official for more information. Let's finally take a look at the system in operation. This system uses a similar concept as traditional gravity toilet systems. The trapway is filled with water to prevent the escape of odors into the room. The Sanicompact is equipped with a dual flush push button, which allows you to control the gallons being used per flush, from 1.28 gallons to a water-saving 1 gallon per flush. Once the button is pressed, it sends an electrical signal to the circuit board located in a secured compartment in back of the motor housing. This circuit board controls the opening and closing of the solenoid valve. Once the signal is sent, the solenoid valve opens, allowing water from the water supply line to travel through the solenoid valve and into the bowl. The water comes into the bowl through the inner rim holes of the toilet. After this first cycle, the board sends an additional signal to the motor. The motor turns on, causing the macerating blade and impeller to spin at the same time. While the blade macerates and grinds the waste, the impeller picks up all the remains and pumps it into the discharge line. Once the motor turns off and the system stops pumping out the waste, the non-return valve closes, not allowing the shredded waste to come back into the system. Water then comes in through the solenoid valve into the bowl to refill the water seal. This concludes the complete operation of the system. The Sanicompact system from Saniflo allows you to install a half bathroom anywhere you want. Make the easy decision for your next remodeling or bathroom project. Its compact size and simple installation make this one of a kind. For more information, please contact us at 1-800-571-8191 or visit our website at saniflo.com. Also, find us on Facebook.